Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So today we have a new product from Aliexpress. They are called USB Heated Shoe Insoles Fit Worm Liners, and you can find something like this on the Aliexpress website for about maybe usually $4. So they are not that expensive, and they can be quite useful during the winter. So what you get is these two heating pads that can fit in shoes. Both have these cables with these connectors. So two connectors like this, and at the other end it has a USB jack, normal USB jack, and you can use this with a power bank, or when you're at home you can just use something like this. You plug it in, so you use a normal plug and you just insert it in the power source, and now they will start to heat. Usually it gets warm, but you can't expect to be extremely hot, so it will not burn your feet. And usually it takes about 1 minute to feel the heat rising up. And let's see some specs. So let's see. So these are the most common models. You can find some that are more expensive, but yeah, overall they're all the same. So they take 5 volts. So as I said, it works with any power bank or normal power supply. So 5V2A electric heated fit shoe insoles use USB. So it's already starting to heat. So after maybe 5 minutes or so, it will actually be quite warm. I can't seem to find specs on the Aliexpress website. It's the mobile version doesn't work that great, but overall you get the point. It's so here we have some specs. View all. So product name USB insoles, material EVA elastic fiber, heating material far infrared carbon fiber, temperature about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, voltage 5V/2A, high convention efficiency, energy saving the average hour with 1 degree of electricity, easy to cut. So yes, if you wear like 41 or 42, you can just get the 44 size, and then just with the scissors just cut this marking, and it will work, because the heating pads are actually about here, so not in this area. So it's already starting to warm up pretty well. So this can be very useful, for example, if you're going somewhere, like if you're staying a lot in your car, for example, and it gets pretty cold during the winter, maybe minus 10 degrees. This can help quite a lot. So I definitely recommend something like this. As you can see, this area has a square, so this is where the pad is inserted inside it here. And on the other side we have this foamy material that will stick quite well in your shoes. It is not dangerous to use something like this, as the voltage is like charging your phone or any USB device that you have, so it's quite safe. So now it's getting really warm, so after 5 or 6 minutes it will be quite warm. So yeah, if you get like frostbites or something serious during the winter, depending on your activity, this can be quite useful, and I definitely recommend these products since they are also very cheap, as I said, about $4 or $5. Definitely a deal. So yeah, definitely recommend this product. So I hope that you've made an idea of how these things look and how they work. Very simple. It's a bit hard to manage the wires, but if you, for example, you're staying in your car, I don't think it will be an issue to just plug the wires, and maybe when you're just want to go out, you can just unplug these connectors here. You leave this in the shoes, and the cables like this also in the shoes, and just walk, and when you return you can just plug them back in. But you need to be quite careful, because these connectors look a bit fragile, and I'm not sure how long they will last, but probably at least 1 winter or 2 winters, and then you can just buy another pair. But overall they look quite good, good materials. Overall it feels like a good quality product. So I hope that this video was useful. If you found it useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.